All right, good afternoon, everybody. Court will resume with the March 7th, 2022 docket with the arraignments. And we're going to be live streaming. And I have here Mr. Eloy Hernandez.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Eloy Hernandez here.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. You represent Elias Carrizales Echevarria, right, sir?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay. And he's on. I already see him already.
Yes, Your Honor. He does need an interpreter, Your
An
Honor.
interpreter. Okay.
Eloy, levanta tu mano derecha, por favor.
You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Elías, levanta tu mano derecha. ¿Juras que el testimonio que vas a dar es la verdad, solamente la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay. All right. CR 21-11-778D, Elias Carrizales Echevarria. Your charge is a Class A misdemeanor, DWI. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand?
En el caso tuyo, CR 21-11778D, Elías Carrizales Echevarria, te acusan de una clase A. Bajo la ley es no más de una multa de $4,000 y no más de un año en la cárcel. La pregunta del juez es, ¿comprendes eso, sí o no?
Sí, sí, comprendo.
Yes, I understand.
Okay. And how do you plead, sir? Guilty or not
¿Y
guilty?
cómo te declaras, culpable o no culpable?
Your Honor,
culpable.
this time, yes.
Not
We would
guilty.
enter a plea of not guilty, Your Honor.
All right. Court will enter a plea of not guilty. And by the way, Mr. Carrizales, Mr. Echevarria, do you happen to have the interlock device with you in your vehicle?
Elías, ¿tienes una corte te ha ordenado que tengas el aparato en tu vehículo?
Sí,
¿Sí lo tienes?
sí.
¿Con
Okay.
qué compañía?
Con Smart Start.
Okay.
Smart Start.
Smart Start.
Okay, very good. Court will go ahead and issue a pretrial date here of August 30th, 2023, Mr. 9 o'clock, Mr. Hernandez, 2023, August 30th. However, if you need us to bump it up or something for any kind of earlier disposition, let us know.
Señor Elías, en el caso de usted, se le va a dar una fecha al año próximo que viene siendo el día 30 de agosto a las 9 de la mañana. Es importante que mientras este caso esté pendiente, usted no esté tomando ni manejando. Y es importante de que usted cumpla con el horario para que se tome la prueba con ese aparato que usted tiene. Esté en contacto con su abogado, porque si hay manera de que el caso se arregle antes de la fecha que le acaba de dar la corte, entonces le podemos poner una cita más temprana que la que le acaba de dar la corte. ¿Ok?
¿Se me repite la fecha, por favor?
Sí, es el día 30 de agosto del 2023 a las 9 de la mañana.
Ok.
¿Ok?
All right, and just remember, sir, no alcohol consumption while the
Y
case is
por favor
pending.
recuerde que no alcohol, estar tomando alcohol mientras este caso esté pendiente.
All right, thank you very much. Your excuse.
Gracias, se puede retirar.
Thank you. Thank you,
Anything
Judge.
else, Mr. Hernandez? Have a great day, sir.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Huh? What do you want to... All right.
No sé cómo salirme de aquí.
Yo te voy a quitar, no te mortifiques.
Okay. All right. Who are we looking for? Juan Zamora?
Number 18.
Okay. Only one? Only one. This
Number
is
response is up here.
okay. All right, we got the office of Mr. Juan Zamora. And waiting on Albert Esparza.
Is that his client?
Right there, Albert Esparza. He needs to unmute, Mr. Esparza.
Yes, sir.
All right, good afternoon, sir. And on behalf of Mr. Zamora, who do we have?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Attorney Ranjit Ledhar, appearing on behalf of Attorney Juan Zamora.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. All right, Mr. Albert Esparza. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right. Your case, CR 21-12-779D, Class A misdemeanor, DWI. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, sir, I do.
And how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty?
Not guilty.
Court will enter a not guilty plea. And the question I have for you is, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
No, sir, I do not.
No, not even the mobile device?
No, sir.
Okay. It's mandatory Class A DWI charge. And so we need your email so we can send you an order.
Okay.
Could we have that?
You ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's ENOY, T as in Tom, FIF at MSN.com. So if you spelled it out, it'd be 51, but backwards. So.
Did you get it?
Yeah, 51 backwards.
Yes.
ENOYTFIT at MSN.com.
Okay.
Correct.
Very well, very well.
March
Uh,
31st.
Okay, I'll tell you what, we're gonna set it for March 31st, 3 p.m. for a status hearing or a compliance hearing, so that we can get proof of the interlock device. So you'll be getting an order, and then you can search that.
Along with a list of where you can go.
Yes, you're gonna get a list of where you can go
Okay.
and vendors, and then once you get it, please advise your attorney. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So then for right now, March 31st, 3 p.m. for status hearing. Did you get that, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor, I've gotten that written down now. And Mr.
Okay.
Esparza, please reach out to our office once you've done the interlock device installed.
Perfect.
And that concludes my matter in this honorable court, Your Honor. May my client and I be excused.
Both of you may be excused, and just remember, Mr. Esparza, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Take care, and you all stay safe. Thank you.
Take care, Judge. God bless you.
Yes, thank you.
Number 16, Ms. Victoria Guerra. Her client is Josue Macias.
Okay. All right, Miss Guerra.
Hello, Your Honor.
All right, Miss Guerra, and then we have Josue Macias, right?
Yes,
All
he
right.
should be on.
Yes, he's on. He just needs to unmute.
There you go.
Yes, sir.
All right. Good afternoon, sir. CR 2112 522D, Josue Sanchez Macias. You're charged DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
And how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty?
Your Honor, at this time, he pleads not guilty, and we would ask for a pretrial and trial setting.
All right, we'll do it. We'll issue a not guilty plea. And Mr. Macias, do you happen to have the interlock device
No, sir.
in your vehicle? You
No,
don't?
sir. No.
All right, it's a Class A charge. It is mandatory. We need your email so we can send you an order.
And email?
Yes, sir.
It's my first name, Josue.Macias 872110 at gmail.com.
Did you get it?
872110
872110
at gmail.com.
at gmail.com. Okay, and so you'll be getting an order for either the mobile device or the interlock device. And then when you do, please advise your attorney. We're gonna set it for March 31st,
Mhm.
3 p.m. status hearing or compliance hearing. March 31st, 3 p.m. compliance.
Your Honor, once we have proof of that, can I file it and not have to come to the hearing?
Correct.
If she can call the court, because if it's filed, we have no way of knowing.
Right. Yeah. Once you file it, call the court.
I'll do that.
Okay. So in the meantime, Mr. Macias, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. You'll stay safe. Be careful. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I have Mr. Edelmiro Arredondo, number 19. I don't know if his client is with him in his office.
Okay, Mr. Arredondo.
Good afternoon, Judge. Judge, I have James Ferris. I've been in constant communication with him, Judge, although he just stated about an hour ago that his mom is very sick and he's unable to log on or come to my office, Judge. He was aware of today's arraignment. That's what he told me about an hour ago, Judge.
Okay, then
Just
Mm.
make sense.
all right. Let me do a nice side for right now, Mr. Arredondo.
Okay, Judge.
Real soon, get back to the court and we'll give you another setting.
Will do, Judge. I'll go ahead and contact him today.
Okay.
Judge, I have a quick announcement, Judge, regarding, I have one of my clients is set for an arraignment tomorrow morning, Judge, at 10. I have some personal matters, Judge. I know Your Honors requires our clients to be present for Class A DWI, Judge. I'm just respectfully requesting a reset, Judge, for about a week or two, so I can get them to log on.
Okay, let me see.
Yeah, Mr. Arredondo, can you call the court after we're done around 3:30 or so? Because right now we have 20 arraignments waiting in the waiting room.
Right,
Oh,
and then we'll get you set up.
We'll do it,
Okay.
Judge. Thank you. I'll go ahead and
We'll
contact
help you after we're done with the docket, sir.
All
Thank
right,
you.
thank you, sir.
Judge, have a great day.
Yes, sir, bye-bye. All right, who's next?
Okay, Mr.
By the way, that was CR 2112 858D. James Ferris. Nice sign.
Okay, number 8, John Rodriguez,
All right.
and his client Jennifer
All right.
Oviedo.
Number 8, you said?
Number 8.
Well, let's see there. Mr. John Rodriguez is connecting. And Jennifer Oviedo.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. Your client, CR 2112 022D, Jennifer Oviedo. She's connecting.
It should be on the, sorry, Judge, should be on the screen.
Right. She's on the screen. She's connecting. And hopefully she gets connected. If not, we can do a cell phone speaker.
As long as you don't ask for sign language, Judge, I'm pretty good.
Oh man, sign language.
I'll be in trouble. I know very little of it.
You wanna?
Yeah, we'll wait until she connects. Does Mr. Caso have his
Okay,
client in his
we'll
office?
get you back in a little while, Mr. Rodriguez.
Not a problem, Judge.
We'll give her some time to connect. Okay.
No problem.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Number 12.
Number 12. Number 12, Mr. Caso.
Is the client in his office?
Yes, let me see here. Yes, sir. Good afternoon, Mr. Caso.
He's muted.
Yeah, you need to unmute.
Sorry
There-
about that, Judge. I
No
said
problem.
I'm here
There.
with Linda Juarez Marin.
And okay, and she's there with you.
She is. I'm gonna turn the camera around.
All
Let's see.
All right.
She's over there.
Okay, very well. CR 2112 191D, Linda Juarez Marin. Your charge is a Class A misdemeanor DWI. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. How do you plead, ma'am? Guilty, not guilty?
Not guilty.
Court will enter a not guilty plea. And ma'am, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
Yes, I do.
Okay, under what vendor? Under what name, company name?
I can't hear.
Intoxalock.
Okay. That's a lot. All right. Then we're going to give you a pretrial date of August 30th, 2023, 9 a.m. However, Mr. Caso, if you, in talking to the state, if you come up with some kind of a arrangement or deal, let the court know. We'll bump up the case.
Well, I'll do it, Judge.
All right.
August 20.
Yes, sir. August 30th, 2023, 9 a.m. And Miss Marin, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, ma'am? All right, you stay safe. Y'all
Thanks,
excuse.
Judge.
Have a
May we
great
be
day.
excused?
Yes, maybe excuse. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Okay, I think Mr. Rodriguez is ready. Yes,
All right, let's go to Mr. Rodriguez. What number was that again?
Number 8.
Number 8.
Please now, Mr. Rodriguez does not have any audio.
All right, who's in trouble now, Mr. Rodriguez? All right. They did a switch over here from. Okay. Let me see if I can get.
Can log on again.
All right, so I try to log on again. Okay, Jennifer, we're waiting for your attorney. He logged out. We're trying to bring him in again. All right.
Lauro Trejo, I don't know if the client is in his office.
All right, let's find out.
It's number 15.
Number 15 here, Lauro Trejo. Mr. Trejo.
Good morning, Judge. Or good afternoon,
Yes.
Judge.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. Your client, does he happen to be there in your office?
He's in my office, Judge.
Okay.
President
Osvaldo Ocasio, right, sir?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
All right. Good afternoon. CR 21-12-456D, Osvaldo Ocasio. Your charge, DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
And how do you plead? Not guilty? Guilty?
Not guilty, sir.
Or court will enter a not guilty plea. Sir, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
Yes, I do, sir.
All right. Under what vendor's name? What is the name of the company?
1 second, please.
Okay.
Judge, on that issue, if I may, Judge,
Yes.
my client has the device in his vehicle, but he's requesting the court to order the portable device.
Okay.
He can change that to portable.
Okay. Ms. Ramirez, will he need a new order?
Yes.
Yes, Judge, he will.
Okay, we need to issue a new order. Okay. Do we need his
Thank you, Judge. And,
The
and
name
Judge,
of the company.
will he ordered? Will he also receive an order to remove the device for the company?
I think the
the-
same order.
Well,
The
once
same
he has proof that he has a portable, then I can send notice to the, whoever he has it with right now to remove that one.
Okay, and he has it with Smart Start.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry. Where are we? Oh, Ocasio, you're smart. Start. Okay.
I guess if Mr. Trejo can email Ms. Jessica Ramirez proof,
Yeah.
so she can call Smart Start.
Right. Once you get proof of that, just email, just let Ms. Ramirez know. And do we need any name or anything from Mr.
No.
Ocasio? We're okay. Okay, then for Mr. Ocasio, we'll enter the not guilty plea here today. And pretrial PT, August 30th, 2023. August 30th, 2023. However, Mr. Trejo, if you need us to bump it up, let us know, please.
Yes, Your Honor. That'll be at 9 in the morning or 8 in the morning.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, 9 in the morning. 9 in the morning.
Thank you, Judge. That's all I have.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You're in your family business. Thank you very much.
Mr. Rodriguez is back on.
Mr.
That was
Rodriguez
number
is number 8.
And his client needs to-
All right, Mr. Rodriguez is playing games with us, and we don't even want to. Are you?
Sorry about that.
You're back on, Mr. Rodriguez.
Yeah, my system was giving me some hiccup, Judge, with this weather.
Okay. All right. I hope it won't lead up to a cough. And
I hope not.
your client, Jennifer Oviedo, is she on? Let me see here.
She's on.
Oh, yeah, she needs to unmute. You need to unmute, Jennifer. There you go. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
All right. Good afternoon. CR 21-12-022D. Jennifer Oviedo. Your charge here, Class A misdemeanor, DWI, which carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
How do you plead, ma'am? Not guilty, guilty?
Not guilty.
Court will enter a not guilty plea. And do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
No.
All right. What do we need right now? The
Email.
email. You have an email, ma'am?
Yes.
And what is it?
Oviedo.jennifer96@gmail.com.
At gmail.com. All right, because it's mandatory when you're charged with a DWI Class A that you have one. We will reset the matter, your case, for March 31st, 3 p.m., March 31st, 3 p.m., so that we can see some proof on the interlock device or mobile device.
Okay.
So once you get it, just advise your attorney as soon as possible, okay, ma'am?
Okay.
As soon as I get it, I'll go ahead and file it for the court's notice, Judge.
Okay, great.
If he can let the court know, because we have no way of knowing.
Yes, you're right. File it and then let the court know, okay, sir?
I will do so, Judge.
And in the meantime, Ms. Oviedo, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, ma'am?
Okay.
All right, you all stay safe and you're excused. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Okay, number 13, Miss Sofia Arispe, but her client is still connecting. He hasn't connected yet, so.
All right, Miss Arispe, we're waiting on Pedro Rios.
I have Mr. Dallas in for Margie Villalobos, number 11.
Okay, let's go with another one. Number 11. Number 11, Mr. Gutierrez.
Good morning, Your Honor. Dallas Gutierrez standing in for Margie Villalobos.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And Fernando Chavez is, can you hear me, sir? He needs to unmute.
Buenas tardes.
Okay, how you doing, sir?
¿No hablas inglés?
Poquito.
Okay, levanta tu mano derecha.
You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Juras que el testimonio que vas a dar es la verdad, solamente la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes, puedes bajar tu mano.
CR 21-12-090D, Fernando Chavez, your charge here, DWI, Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
En el caso tuyo, CR 21-12090D, Fernando Chávez, te acusan de una clase A. Bajo la ley es no más de una multa de $4,000 y no más de un año en la cárcel. ¿Comprendes eso, sí o no?
Sí.
Yes.
And how do you plead, sir? Guilty or not
¿Y
guilty?
cómo te declaras? ¿Culpable o no culpable?
No
Your
culpable.
Honor, we'll be entering
Okay.
a plea of not guilty and asking for pretrial and trial dates, Your Honor.
All right. Court will enter a not guilty plea at this time. And Mr. Chavez, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
Señor Chávez, ¿te han ordenado el aparato de alcohol que va en tu vehículo?
Sí, ya lo tengo por 6 meses. Ya lo
Ok,
estoy usando por 6 meses.
¿Con qué compañía lo tienes?
Intoxalock.
Yes, he's had it for about 6 months, and it's from Intoxalock.
Okay. Court will give you a pretrial date. And here it is, August 30th, 2020.
Apunta la fecha que te va a dar el juez.
August 30th, 2023, 9 a.m. However, Mr. Gutierrez, if you need the court to bump up the case, let us know, okay?
El caso
Yes,
tuyo
Your
se va a cambiar a una cita el día 30 de agosto del año 2023, que viene siendo el año próximo, a las 9 de la mañana. Pero está en contacto con tu abogado porque si se puede arreglar el caso antes, entonces la corte te va a poner una fecha más temprana. ¿Ok?
Okay.
Es importante de que no tomes mientras este caso esté pendiente y que cumplas con el horario y las pruebas que tienes que hacer con el aparato de alcohol, por favor.
Okay.
All right, thank you, sir. You
Gracias.
may be excused. Thank you, Mr. Gutierrez. You may be excused. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bye-bye.
Okay, Ms. Arispe's client still doesn't have any audio. He's still trying to connect.
Okay.
I don't know if
His
she wants
son's
to call
trying
us.
to help him, Judge, so
Okay.
there.
Okay. If not, put him on speaker phone or something, and we can do it that way.
Okay, Judge. I think he's on. He's not on yet on audio?
No.
Okay.
Okay, we can do number 10, Mr. Aurelio Garza, and his client is Reynaldo Rios.
Number 10. Mr. Garza?
Good morning, Your Honor, or good afternoon. Aurelio Garza on behalf of Mr. Rios. He does need services of an interpreter, Your Honor.
All right, good afternoon, sir.
Buenas tardes, señor Ríos. Levante su mano derecha.
Buenas tardes.
Good afternoon.
You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the
¿Usted
truth?
jura que el testimonio que va a dar es la verdad, solamente la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
And you can put your hand
Puede
down.
bajar su mano.
CR 21-12-070D, Reynaldo Rios. Your charge, DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that,
En
sir?
el caso de usted, CR 21-12070D, el estado de Texas contra Reynaldo Ríos. A usted lo acusan de una clase A. Bajo la ley es no más de una multa de $4,000 y no más de un año en la cárcel. La pregunta es, ¿usted comprende eso, sí o no?
Sí.
Yes.
And how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty?
¿Y cómo se declara? ¿Culpable o no culpable?
Not guilty.
Court will enter a not guilty plea. And Mr. Rios, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
Señor Ríos, ¿usted tiene el aparato de alcohol en su vehículo? ¿Se lo han ordenado?
Sí.
Yes.
And the vendor's name?
¿Qué compañía?
Ah, no recuerdo, pero es una máquina chiquita que la uso para soplar, pero con el teléfono.
It's a small machine that I use to blow, but it's through the phone.
Okay.
¿Quién se lo ordenó?
¿Cómo se dice? Cuando pagas el bon.
Okay. It was at the county. It was a
Con, Mr. Rios, ¿con quién hablas? ¿Con Cameron o Carlos o AJ? ¿Dónde pagas? ¿Cómo se llaman?
Yo les mando todos los lunes un mensaje a Octavio.
Octavio.
at the
Silver
bondsman.
Sense?
Del bon.
El ban es Octavio.
No, he's only reporting to the
del
bondsman.
aparato.
No, estamos hablando de un
Oh.
aparato que va en el vehículo y tienes que soplar antes de prender el vehículo.
Ah, sí, pago, pero es una, a ver cómo se llama la compañía. A ver, aquí traigo aquí la cartera.
Okay.
Esto, mi candela.
Safety check.
Safety check.
Okay, we got it. Okay, court will enter a not guilty plea on this one, set it for PT, pre-trial, Mr. Garza, August 30th, 2023, 9 a.m., August 30th, 2023, 9 a.m. However, if you need us to bump it up, please call the court. We'll help you.
Señor Ríos, el caso de usted se le va a dar otra fecha para el día 30 de agosto del año próximo del 2023 a las 9 de la mañana. Es importante de que mientras este caso esté pendiente, usted lo esté tomando y manejando. Por favor, esté en contacto con su abogado y si hay manera de que este caso se arregle antes de esta fecha, entonces él le llama a la corte y le damos una fecha más temprana.
Para el 30 de agosto.
Yes, sir.
2023. Just remember, sir, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, like you were told earlier. Anything else, Mr. Garza?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you. May we be excused?
You and your client may be excused, and you all have a great day, okay?
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Gracias. Bye-bye.
Ms. Lily Gutierrez, number 9, Soledad Solís.
All right. Ms. Gutierrez.
And Ms. Soledad
Good
needs to
afternoon, Your Honor.
unmute.
All right. We need to get in Ms.
Can you
Solis,
unmute
right?
Miss Solis?
Yeah, Ms. Solis needs to unmute.
There you go.
Okay, can you hear me now, Ms. Solis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good afternoon. CR 21-12-064D, Soledad Solis. Your charge, Class A misdemeanor, DWI, which carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
And how do you plead, ma'am? Not guilty? Guilty?
Not guilty.
Court will enter a not guilty plea. And ma'am, do you happen to have the interlock device on your vehicle?
Yes.
Under what vendor, what company name?
I believe it's a safety link as well.
Safety link?
Safety link, yes.
Okay.
Not safety link. Who do you talk to at the place?
Oh, interlock, American interlock.
Okay, it's like.
Okay. Okay. All right, we, Ms. Gutierrez, we have a pre-trial date here, August 30th, 2023, 9 a.m. However, if you need us to bump it up, let the court know, okay, ma'am?
Very
August
well, Your
3rd
Honor. We will be.
Okay, one more time, August 30th, 2023, 9 a.m. That's for pre-trial. But of course, if you want a earlier disposition, let the court know. So you and your client may be excused. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good
Bye-bye.
afternoon.
Bye-bye.
Number 2, Mr. Michael Saldaña, and the client is Jose Manuel Chavez.
Number 2. All right. All right, sir. Good afternoon, Mr.
Good
Saldaña.
afternoon,
Mr. Chavez needs to unmute and he
Miss-
needs camera.
Where's Mr.
Right here.
Oh, Mr. Jose Chavez, there he is. He needs to unmute and we need some kind of, there he is. All right. Can you hear me, Mr. Chavez?
Yes, Your Honor, I can.
All right, good. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
CR 21-11-773D, Jose Manuel Chavez Jr. Your charge, DWI, Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
I think Mr.
Yes,
Chavez
Your Honor.
has 2 cases, and he also has number 14.
Oh, he's got number 14? Let me look at number 14
Two
here.
DWIs.
All right, wait a minute. Let me see here. Now, we got number 2 and then number 14. There's another one. CR 21-12346D. CR 21-12-346D. Jose Manuel Chavez Jr. Also a Class A DWI case. Same potential penalty up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And for both cases today, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Court will enter a not guilty here for both cases. And I have a question here, sir. Do you have the interlock device?
I have the
You have the what?
the breathalyzer, sir. I have to like in the morning at around noonish and in the evening.
All right. You have the mobile or the one that's connected in your car?
Mobile, Your Honor.
Mobile. Okay. All right. Mr. Saldana, we're going to do a pre-trial date. August 30th. Let me see here. August 30th, 2023, 9 a.m. If you need us to bump it up earlier, let the court know. Okay, sir?
Very well, Your Honor.
August
That's it
30th.
for us today. May we be excused?
You may be excused. And
The vendor
yeah.
name, Judge, the vendor
Oh,
name.
yeah, the vendor name on the interlock device. Mr. Chavez. What name? The vendor? The company?
Oh my God, I forgot the name, and they just took the vehicle. It is. Let me check the emails.
Yes, email.
Things like Mobile Solutions. Safeguard Solutions. Sorry.
Safeguard?
Yes, Safeguard
Okay.
Solutions.
Okay. All right. Now, just remember, Mr. Let me see. Mr. Chavez, just remember that please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. You stay safe. Have a great day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your excuse. Bye-bye. Let's see who we can call next.
Sophia's client is still trying to connect.
Okay, can we do
He
the
logged in.
can we do the
I
phone?
don't know if Miss Paloma has a client in her office.
Let's look for Miss
Number 17.
number 17. Let me see, Miss Barreto.
Good afternoon, Judge. Nice seeing you.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. Nice seeing you as well. Your client Belinda Bailly, right, ma'am?
Yes, Judge. Belinda Bailly, CR 21-12750D. And she should be on Zoom, Judge.
Okay, I think I see the name already in the waiting room.
She's connecting.
All right, she's connecting right now.
Great.
Mhm.
She's set for arraignment. This
Okay.
is a DWI second.
All right. She's connecting. Do you know if she's got the interlock device, ma'am?
Judge, I was gonna ask her that on Zoom because I got appointed, I think recently, and we were able to find her contact
Okay.
info.
Okay, Miss Bailly, can you hear me? No audio. All right. No.
Ms. Bailly, there should be a little microphone. If it has a red line, click there and it'll unmute you.
She's not connected yet.
Oh,
Yeah, she's not connected. Okay. Or if you can call her, put her on
Yeah, I
speaker.
can call her. If we can
And we can-
recall the case, Judge.
Okay, and we'll be on speaker.
And if Miss Sophia can do the same for her client.
Yes, Miss Sophia.
Okay.
Miss Arispe. Miss Arispe, you can do the same thing with your client. Yeah, why don't you call
Yes,
your client,
Judge,
Miss Arispe?
I'll go ahead and do that. My office has been giving him instructions and they just don't get
No.
it. So
No,
let
just
me
put him
try
on
to.
speaker. Yeah,
I will.
Press the phone. Really good. And I got Joe Bravo. Number 20? Number 20. Only one case? Miss Bravo. All right, Mr. Bravo. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I
You're-
have and Agoberto Lopez. I was
Yes,
just
sir.
talking to him right now in court, and he is trying to zoom in.
All right.
He hasn't.
Yeah, he hasn't yet. Okay, we'll go back to another case and we'll call you right back, Mr. Bravo.
Will do. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. All right, we're gonna get a phone. She's still on the phone already, Mr. Isbeth.
If Rick can call and Rachel, we need Oscar Rene Flores. The
Okay,
client is in the waiting room.
all right.
Number 5, number 6, and number 7. We
And-
need
and-
Oscar Rene Flores,
and-
Christopher Sanchez, and Jaime Hernandez.
And number 4?
All 3 clients are in the waiting room.
Ms. Ada,
Yes, sir.
yes, for number 4, for the Oscar Rene Flores, the client, Mr. Mauricio Martinez called earlier that both he and Mr. Flores are currently in a sentencing today that began at 2 p.m. in the 206. He was going to request that he be called at the end of the docket, possibly if he can make an appearance. I did instruct him to have the defendant appear.
I don't know if you want to take care of them. Then. It's a POM and a DWI Class A.
Where are they? Is the client there?
That's right.
Yeah, we can do the client. We can put him on. And what number?
Number 4 and 5.
4 and 5. Okay.
He's already connected. Right here.
All right. Can you unmute Mr. Bucio?
Yes, sir.
All right. I think your attorney's busy right now in another court.
In federal court.
In federal court. And
Okay.
so therefore, I think we're gonna take the no guilty pleas on your 2 cases. You have a DWI and also a POM. DWI Class A misdemeanor ECR 21-11-779D. Erlene David Bucio, Class A misdemeanor. That carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. Second case, CR 11-780D. POM Class B misdemeanor. That carries a potential penalty of up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. On both cases here today, we're going to enter not guilty pleas. And then the question I have, Mr. Bucio, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Under what company name or vendor?
I'm not. What do you know? I could look it up, but I just know that it's a Intox device, sir. I didn't.
Yeah. Could you look it up, please? We'll give you a moment.
Give me a moment. Okay, give me a moment.
An email or something?
Yeah, I have the paperwork, everything here. Give me a second. And my wife get it for me real quick. Okay.
I think it's this one.
Which one? It says Customer Safety Technology LLC.
Oh no, it's
no,
Loud
wait.
and Clear Audio.
Loud and Clear Audios.
Did you get it, Miss Ramirez?
Yeah, it should be in Toxalock. That the
Yeah.
one?
Yes, in Toxalot. Yes.
Okay. In Toxalot. Okay. Very well. Then we're going to give you a pretrial date that you can give to your attorney.
Okay.
Is it August 30th?
August 30th.
August 30th, 2023. August 30th, 2023, 9 a.m. And if you and your attorney needs to bump it up, let the court know, okay? So for right now, August 30th, 2023 for pretrial.
All right.
And so just remember, Mr. Bucio, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Okay, sir.
That'll be it.
Yeah, make sure you call your attorney office so that you can give them the reset date.
And the reset date.
All right, ma'am. Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, thank you. Good luck, bye-bye.
Judge, I do have my client on speaker now. He's Spanish speaking.
All right, Miss Arispe. Which is number 13?
I can leave already, right?
Yes, sir. You're excused. Thank you.
Señor Ríos, ¿sí escucha la corte? Yes.
All right, very well. CR 2112-196D, Pedro Silguero Rios. Your charge, Class A misdemeanor, DWI. It carries a potential penalty of up to 180 days, I'm sorry, up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Señor Ríos, en el caso de usted, CR 21-121-91D, el estado de Texas contra Pedro Ríos.
I think you get the wrong customer.
Perdón, el número de usted es CR 21-121-96D, el estado de Texas contra Pedro Ríos. A usted lo acusan de una clase A. Bajo la ley es no más de una multa de $4,000 y no más de un año en la cárcel. La pregunta es, ¿usted comprende eso, sí o no?
Did you understand that,
¿Usted
Mr.?
comprende eso, señor?
No escucho muy bien.
Okay. On how do you plead, sir, in this case, guilty or not guilty?
¿Cómo se declara? ¿Culpable o no culpable?
No culpable.
Okay. Court will enter the not guilty plea in your case. Mr. Rios, do you happen to have the interlock device?
Señor Ríos, ¿usted tiene el aparato de alcohol en el vehículo?
No, es portátil.
Es portátil.
No, it's portable.
Okay.
¿Con qué compañía?
¿Vale?
¿Qué compañía? ¿Cómo se llama la compañía?
Se llama Smart.
I think it's Smart Star, Judge, or something like
Okay,
that.
Smart Start. Okay. Okay. All right. Pre-trial date, Ms. Arispe, August 30th, 2023, 9 a.m. If you need us to bump it up, let the court know, okay? But for right now, August 30th, 2023, 9 a.m. PT pre-trial. And we need to advise Mr. Rios not to be consuming alcohol while the case is pending, okay?
I'll advise him, Judge. No
Did you-
problem.
Okay. All right. Thank you, ma'am. Your excuse. Have a great day.
Thank you, Judge, and my apologies.
No problem. Bye-bye, ma'am.
Bye.
We have number 7, Mr. Jaime Hernandez Justo Cepeda.
Okay. Number what? 7? 7. There it is. Mr. Jaime Hernandez, there you are, sir.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jaime
Yes,
Hernandez.
sir. Yes, sir. Good afternoon. And then your client is Justo
He's connecting.
Zepeda, right? There
Correct.
it is. All right. Trying to
No
connect.
audio.
No audio. Okay. You might have to put him on the phone speaker.
And Ms. Barrero, her client now has audio, but she logged off.
Miss Barreto logged off.
Yes.
Okay.
I can do that, Judge.
Yeah. See if you
No, he's got it.
Whoa,
He's
I
got
think we got it. They just need to unmute.
Mr. Cepeda, can you unmute yourself, please?
There you go.
Es que I'm having trouble with the
You got
device.
it. All right, you got it already. You're fine.
Okay.
All right, sir. Your case, CR 21-12-010D, Justo Flores Zepeda. Your case is a DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead, sir? Not guilty?
Yes, sir.
All right, court will enter a not guilty plea. And sir, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
I didn't have a license, so I wasn't driving, period. So I don't
Okay.
have a
You don't have it? Not even the portable or mobile device?
no. Pero where can I get the interlock for the automobile?
Okay, we will issue you an order so that you can go get one. And of course, we'll give you a list of vendors. But right now, do you happen to have an email?
No, I don't.
Okay, your phone number?
¿Qué es el phone number?
956-742.
956-742-5758.
5758. Okay. We will issue an order so you can go get a mobile or interlock. We will set your case for March 31st, 3 p.m. for status hearing on the or compliance on the device, okay?
Yes, sir.
So March 31st, 3 p.m. is we're looking for proof of the interlock device. Once you get it, just advise your attorney, okay, sir?
Come again, Your Honor?
I'm sorry?
Come again, Your Honor? I didn't hear.
He didn't hear you.
Oh, once you get your device, let your attorney know, okay?
Okay.
Okay. In the meantime, Mr. Cepeda, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Okay, no, I haven't.
Okay, that's good. Good to hear that. Okay, you're excused. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused as well?
You may be excused. Have a good day. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Ms. Paloma's back, number 17.
Number 17.
And Ms. Bayi needs to unmute.
All right, Miss Barreto.
Yes, Judge. I believe we solved the issue, or is she still not connected to audio?
She's connected.
No, she's connected. Can you? Okay,
Oh, there we
very
go.
well.
Yes. And
There we
Judge,
go.
she does not have any interlock because the magistrate judge did not order one.
Okay. Her cost number, CR 21 12 750D, Belinda Bayi. Your charge, DWI, Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead, ma'am? Guilty, not guilty?
Not guilty.
Court will enter a not guilty plea, and you do not have the interlock device. Do you have an email?
Yes, sir.
And what is it?
It's BBALLI13@hotmail.com.
At hotmail.com. Did you
Yes,
get
sir.
it? Okay. Under the law, it's mandatory that you have an interlock device on your vehicle or a portable. So we're gonna be issuing you an order so you can go get one. And then we'll set the matter for March 31st for status, March 31st, 3 p.m. for compliance hearing and or status. So
Yes,
did you get that, Miss Barreto?
Yes, thank you, Judge. I'll be sure to have her install that before then.
Okay, and once you install it, Miss Bayi, just advise your attorney, okay, ma'am?
Okay, thank you.
All right, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank
You
you,
both
Judge.
may be excused. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Mr. Bravo, number 20, Agoberto Lopez.
Okay, Mr. Bravo, round 2 or maybe 3 here. Let's see if it works this time.
Round 2.
Agoberto, unmute and take off your cap.
Then let me take off my cap. Sorry. Sorry.
All right, there you go. All
Sorry
right,
about that, sir.
Agoberto Domingo, I'm sorry, Dominguez. Oh, no.
Domingo Lopez.
Domingo Lopez, you're right, Mr. Lopez. CR 21-13-026D. Your charge, DWI, Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
And how do you plead? Not guilty, guilty?
Not guilty, sir.
All right, court will enter a not guilty plea. And do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
No, sir. I don't own a vehicle.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, and you don't even have the portable or the mobile device?
No. I was talking to the defender. He told me I have to get the portable device.
Okay. We're gonna get you an order. Can you give us your email?
I don't have one, sir. I have my sister's email. I don't have an email.
No. Well, let's not bother your sister. Give me your phone. You got a phone number?
Yes, sir. 956 731 1598.
1598.
Yes, sir.
Did you get that one? All right. Then we're gonna set the case for March 31st, Mr. Bravo and Mr. Lopez, 3 p.m. March 31st, 3 p.m. So once you get it, advise your attorney, and because we're gonna need proof that you have it. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
In the meantime, Mr. Lopez, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, sir?
Okay.
All right. You take care and stay safe. You have a question?
When am I gonna be able to go get the interlock?
When you get the order, you're gonna get an order and a list of vendors. Then you go look for it. Okay.
Okay. And March 31st, I have court again.
Yes, 3 p.m.
Okay.
If you get it before March 31st,
Give it to Mr. Bravo.
and tell Mr. Bravo, I think we don't have to have the hearing. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right, thank you, sir.
All right. Stay safe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, number 6, we have Mr. Enrique Hernandez, but Mr. Christopher Sanchez, I believe he is in a contested matter.
Okay. All right. I hope it's okay, court or something.
Mr. Hernandez, there you go.
Yeah, Mr. Enrique Hernandez. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, your attorney Chris Sanchez is busy right now.
Yes, he's.
Yeah,
He
no,
told me
no
that-
problem. No problem. Your case is CR 21-11-784D. Enrique Hernandez, you're charged with DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. We will enter a not guilty plea here today. And I have a question, Mr. Hernandez. Do you have the interlock device in your vehicle?
No, sir.
Not even the mobile or the portable?
No, sir.
Do you have an email?
Yes.
Could we have it, please?
B as a boy on both. 592 at iCloud.com.
At
iCloud.
Oh, iCloud. Here we go again. iCloud.
Is it
That's
BI, 2 BIs?
Is it 2 BIs? BI?
Yeah, so BB.
Okay, baby, there you go. BIBI 592 at iCloud.com, right? Is it right? Okay, you're gonna be getting an order, Mr. Hernandez, where you're gonna be looking for a list of vendors where you're gonna be looking for a device, and we're gonna set your case for March 31st, 20.
Yeah, I
Yes,
wanted
sir.
to trial, and the trial dates, that's what he told me.
Right. We're gonna get that after this date. After this
Okay.
date, because on March 31st, 3 p.m., we need the proof of the interlock device or any device or the mobile. And once you do get it, please advise your attorney, okay?
Okay.
Okay? Because if that happens before the 31st at 3 p.m., we may not show up. Okay?
Okay.
But in the meantime, Mr. Hernandez, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
March 31st,
3
3 p.m., right?
3 p.m. Yeah, you have to get it, but you have to get your interlock device by then, okay?
Then. Okay, right now I'm at work, but as soon as I get back, I will.
All right. Wait for the order. You're going to be getting an order, okay?
Okay.
Through email.
And a list of vendors.
And the list of vendors through email.
Okay, sir.
All right. Thank you so much. Your excuse. Have a great day. All right,
Okay,
cool.
number 1 is no show.
Wait a minute. Number 1. Let me call it here. Number 1. CR 21-11-765D. Christian Joanna Climaco. 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 Not in the waiting room. That'll be a nice sign. Give me another one.
That's it.
That's it for right now?
And we're done.
All right. Thank you.